If you want to see exactly where your restaurant is losing money, this is the fastest way to get started. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to start and how to create your account on SwayOps using Google or Apple or email. So when you come to this page, you click on continue with Google and the page loads. You could either choose continue Google or continue email. Let's start with continue Google. We load it and you make sure you have a good working internet. Put in my email, password, and next. Wait for the page to load. Don't touch anything, just hold on, it's still loading. Good. All you need to do is authorize it now. SwayOps would like to access your Replit account. You click allow and we're good to go. Page loads into the SwayOps dashboard. Very good. Simple, straightforward, no stress. Next, I'm going to show you how to register using email. For those who want to register using email as opposed to the Apple account or Gmail account, you click on continue email, you enter your email address. It's going to prompt you if it's valid or not. You enter your password and you just click on create account. When you click on create account, check your email for the authorization. Let's see, here you go. You'll see an email from Replit, verify your email. Click on that. Do nothing else, just click verify now. When you click on verify now, it verifies your email, and after it's done, the page closes. Then you go back to your account and you see SwayOps would like to access your Replit account. All you need to do is click on allow. Simple, straightforward, and immediately after that, you are going to see yourself in the SwayOps dashboard where you can start, running your restaurant like a pro in the smartest way to ensure profitability. Simple, straightforward, greatest platform to exist. And check your inbox, you see a welcome from SwayOps email. So there you have it. SwayOps, know your kitchen, master your money. You can enable notifications if you want, so that you get in-app notifications. For those who want to enjoy the best mobile viewing experience, all you need to do, for example, on Chrome, you go to your three dots hamburger and you click on look for add to home, and the app is going to download sweetly and nicely on your mobile phone, so you enjoy it like any other regular browsing experience on the mobile phone. Straightforward and easy to use. Now, very important, if you want to stop guessing and actually run your restaurant on real numbers, this channel shows exactly how, one practical step at a time. Now hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.